I've not even been able to give you an update of where we're at the moment. This was going to be a series about our microcamper van that I spent all year playing with, trying to get it just right. And when I did get it just right, sort of realised after a week away in it, 2 people and a dog just couldn't manage inside this size of van. It's just too small. So we've spent the last couple of months looking for a new van, and at last we found one. And we're going to go pick it up this week, and we're going to transfer everything that we did have in this van into the new van. These series of videos or vlogs or whatever you want to call them are going to really cover the adventures we're going to have. We're going to spend 90% or 95% of our time actually out and about in the van. It's not going to be a build series. If you want to see a build series, there's thousands of videos of how to do different things. You'll see changes happening to the van. But basically, we'll pick it up this week. We'll spend next week banging a load of insulation down, the floor down, installing a full-size double bed, and then basically we're going, and we're going to be doing all the jobs on the road, in car parks, B&Q car parks, Screwfix car parks, all those sort of places. But I'm not really going to film it, this is how you do this, because every van is totally individual to you and only you. But what I will be doing, some of the things that we're going to use, I'll tell you how we've used them, the experience we've had using them, and if they're any good. It's like we've been using the blower AC 180 on a recent trip up to Glencoe. Glencoe's absolutely marvellous. You've really got to go to Glencoe. It's absolutely stunning, and we're going to actually spend Christmas and New Year up around Glencoe, moving over to the Cairngorms. That's why we need to get this insulation in, get the diesel heater up and running and things like that. Me, Suzanne and Milo, we're going to leave here on Christmas Eve, and then we're probably not going to come back till the first week of the new year, 2026. So we're going to give it a good run for its money that first few weeks. We'll be calling it B&Q, Screwfix, all the normal places, probably nipping into IKEA in Glasgow or Edinburgh, and picking up a few pieces. But as I say, this series is going to be completely different. It's definitely not going to be a build series. Once you've seen one, you know what you want to do, you know how you want to build this van. Going to go a bit noisy now, big DPD vans going to go past. They've gone past. So literally, the next upload that I'll do, I'll be going to pick up the new van, and I'll show you a quick tour around the state of it. It used to be an old pharmacy van, chiller van, where they transported medicines to chemists and places like that had to be kept cold. It's not an old van, but it's got a lot of miles on it. But fingers crossed it's been well looked after. Otherwise it's going to cost me thousands to fix it. But the thing is, you just don't know about these vans. You've got to take a chance. So as I say, this one, it'd have been lovely if it had worked, but it just didn't work for us. On your own, one person, yeah, probably could work for just one person. But as I said, 2 people and a dog. And when you get to meet Milo, what's his timer about now? Who knows? anyway, once you get to meet Milo, you'll realise he needs a lot of room, even though he's only small. Right, catch you next week.